Monkey see black hole. Monkey no understand. Monkey learn. Now monkey teach other monkeys. What are black holes? Black holes are places in space where gravity got really angry. Imagine monkey trying to escape from biggest, strongest gorilla in jungle. Now imagine that gorilla is invisible and pulls everything toward it. Even light itself cannot escape. That is black hole. But black hole not actually hole. Black hole not black either. Monkey confused. Good universes likes to confuse monkeys. Think of it like this. Monkey has banana. Monkey throw banana up, banana come back down because earth pulls banana. This is gravity, normal gravity. Now imagine something so heavy, so dense, that when monkey throw banana toward it, banana never come back. Not just banana, even light cannot escape. Light fastest thing in universe, but even light get trapped. This creates dark region in space. No light comes out. That's why monkey call it black hole. But how heavy must something be to trap light? Very heavy. Take our sun. Big yellow thing that makes monkey warm. Sun weighs 333,000 times more than Earth. That's lot of bananas. Now crush sun down to size of small city. All that mass squeezed into tiny space. Gravity becomes so strong that nothing can escape. Not light, not banana, not monkey. That's stellar black hole. But universe has bigger monsters, much bigger. At center of every galaxy, including monkey's galaxy called Milky Way, sits supermassive black hole. These beasts weigh millions of billions times more than sun. Some are heavier than 40 billion suns. Monkey brain cannot understand how heavy that is. If monkey could count one banana per second, it would take monkey longer than universe has existed to count that many bananas. These supermassive black holes control entire galaxies. They decide where stars form, how fast stars move, whether galaxies live or die. Every galaxy monkey has ever seen has one of these monsters at its center. Every single one. But if black holes are invisible, how does monkey know they exist? Smart monkeys watch stars dance around empty space. Stars move very fast in circles, like monkeys swinging around invisible tree branch. Something massive must be pulling those stars, something monkey cannot see. When monkey does math, only one thing can be that heavy and that small. Black hole. Monkey also see jets of hot gas shooting out from center of galaxies at nearly speed of light. Something very powerful must be creating those jets. Something that eats stars and spits out energy. Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners, but instead of cleaning monkey's cave, they clean up entire star systems. But here's what makes monkey's brain hurt. Black holes are not just destroyers. They are also creators. Without supermassive black holes, galaxies could not exist. Stars would not form properly. Heavy elements would not spread through space. Planets could not form. Monkey could not exist. So black holes are both cosmic monsters and cosmic gardeners. They destroy and create at same time. But how do these invisible monsters form? What happens if monkey falls into one? And why do smartest human scientists say black holes are key to understanding everything? Monkey will explain. But first, monkey must tell story of how stars die most violent death imaginable. How do black holes come to life? Monkey tells story of stellar death. Very violent story, not for baby monkey. Black holes born when massive stars have worst day ever. Much worse than when monkeys run out of banana. Picture biggest star monkey can imagine. Not wimpy sun that warms monkey's fur. Real heavyweight champion star, maybe 20 or 30 times heavier than sun. This star been burning bright for millions of years. Inside star's belly, constant nuclear explosion happening. Hydrogen atoms getting smashed together to make helium. This creates enormous energy that pushes outward. At same time, gravity pulls everything inward. It like cosmic arm wrestling match. Nuclear explosion pushes out. Gravity pulls in. For millions of years, they perfectly balanced. But then star starts running out of hydrogen fuel, like monkey's banana supply getting low. Star not give up easily. It starts burning heavier stuff. Helium turns into carbon, carbon turn into oxygen, oxygen turn into silicon. Star climbing periodic table like monkey climbing tall tree. Each step get harder. Each step produce less energy. Then star reach iron, and iron is where party stop. Iron is like poisonous banana. When star tries to burn iron, it doesn't make energy. It uses energy. Nuclear furnace starts dying. Suddenly, outward push gets weaker. Gravity starts winning arm wrestling match. What happens next is so fast and violent that monkey brain can barely understand. Star's core collapses in less than 1 second. Something size of Earth gets crushed down to size of Manhattan in blink of eye. Collapse happens at 70,000 kilometers per second. That fast enough to go around Earth twice in 1 second. Faster than monkey can swing from tree to tree. Matter becomes so dense that teaspoon could weigh 6 billion tons. That's like squeezing Mount Everest into sugar cube. Protons and electrons get mashed together like bananas in blender. They become neutrons. Core become ball of pure neutron matter. Densest stuff possible. But if original star was really massive, more than 25 times heavier than sun, even neutron pressure cannot stop collapse. Core keeps shrinking, denser and denser, until it reach point where physics give up and start crying. This is singularity, point of infinite density where space and time break down completely. It's like trying to divide banana by zero. Make no sense, but happen anyway. Collapse creates gravity so intense it warps space and time around it. This creates event horizon, invisible boundary where escape become impossible. Cross that line and monkey not come back. Not even light can escape. Size of event horizon depend on mass. Black hole with sun's mass would have event horizon 6 kilometers across. Monster at center of monkey's galaxy has event horizon larger than Mercury's entire orbit. From outside, event horizon is where time stops. If monkey watch friend fall toward black hole, friend appears to slow down, getting redder and redder, until friend freezes at edge forever like cosmic statue. But from falling friend's perspective, time flows normally. Friend crosses event horizon like nothing happened. Completely unaware, they became permanent decoration for outside observers. This is where reality gets twisted like pretzel. What happens if monkey falls into black hole? Monkey strongly advise against this, but monkey explain anyway for educational purposes. Falling into black hole not like falling into regular hole, where monkey just gets dirty and needs banana bandage. This is universe's most extreme experience with 100% guarantee monkey won't post about it on social media afterward. Journey starts long before monkey reaches event horizon. As monkey falls toward black hole, something called tidal forces begin stretching monkey like cosmic taffy. Monkey's feet, being closer to black hole, experience stronger gravity than monkey's head. This difference pulls monkey apart. Scientists have technical term for this process, and monkey not joking. It's called spaghettification. Monkey literally becomes spaghetti. Monkey spaghetti. Body stretches longer and thinner until monkey becomes streams of atoms spiraling toward center. Not pleasant way to become pasta, but experience depends on size of black hole. Small black holes kill monkey before monkey even reach event horizon. Tidal forces too strong. Monkey gets spaghettified while still outside point of no return. However, supermassive black holes different story. These cosmic giants so large that tidal forces near event horizon are gentler. Monkey might actually survive crossing boundary and live to experience whatever comes next. And that's where things get really bananas. Once monkey crosses event horizon, monkey in uncharted territory. From monkey's perspective, monkey just keep falling towards singularity at center. Space and time become so warped that singularity not really place monkey falling toward. It's moment in time monkey falling into. It's literally end of time itself. But here's mind-bending part that make monkey brain hurt. While monkey having this terrifying experience, anyone watching from outside black hole sees something completely different. To outside observers, monkey appears to slow down as monkey approaches event horizon. Monkey's image gets redder and dimmer until monkey fades away like ghost. From their perspective, monkey never actually falls in. Monkey gets frozen at edge forever. So which version is real? Is monkey spaghettified and destroyed, or frozen in time at event horizon? Answer is both, depending on perspective. It's like universe's ultimate optical illusion, except instead of seeing vase or two faces, monkey seeing life or death. This paradox been driving physicists bananas for decades. But let's say monkey survived crossing event horizon in supermassive black hole. What happened next? Monkey keeps falling towards singularity. But remember, singularity not really place in space. It's moment in time. Monkey not falling toward location, monkey falling toward end of everything. Space and time swap roles. Singularity become monkey's future, as inevitable as tomorrow. Every possible path leads there. As monkey approaches singularity, tidal forces eventually become extreme even in supermassive black holes. Monkey gets stretched and compressed simultaneously, until monkey's atoms torn apart. But recent theorists suggest monkey might not even make it to singularity. Some physicists propose that just inside event horizon there's firewall, wall of high-energy particles that would incinerate monkey instantly. Monkey would be vaporized moment monkey crosses boundary. Truth is, we don't know what happens inside black holes. They're ultimate unknown territory. Now monkey tells story that made smartest human scientists fight like angry baboon over last banana. It's called information paradox, and it nearly broke physics. Here's problem that keep physicists awake at night like howler monkey. In normal world, information never truly destroyed. If monkey burn book, information in book not gone forever, just scrambled up in smoke and ashes. In theory, if monkey could collect every single particle of smoke and ash, monkey could rebuild original book. It's like universe ultimate jigsaw puzzle. Pieces get scattered, but they still exist. This rule called information conversation. Very important rule in physics, like don't eat poisonous berries rule in jungle. But black holes seem to break this rule completely. When something falls into black hole, information appears lost forever, trapped behind event horizon where no monkey can ever get it back. It's like universe's ultimate paper shredder, except instead of shredding document, it shred fundamental laws of physics. Then Stephen Hawking came along and made things even more complicated. Smart human discovered that black holes not completely black. They actually glow with something called Hawking radiation. Here's how this cosmic weirdness works. And monkey warn you, this get very strange. Even in empty space, tiny pairs of particles constantly popping into existence and then destroying each other. It like universe having microscopic fireworks shows that monkey cannot see. Usually these particle pairs just appear and disappear so quickly they don't affect anything, like invisible monkey playing peekaboo. But near black hole's event horizon, something strange happens. Sometimes one particle from pair falls into black hole while other escapes into space. Escaping particle becomes Hawking radiation. Black hole loses energy and slowly evaporates like cosmic ice cube melting. Smaller black holes evaporate faster. Black hole with massive mountain would glow with heat of sun and explode in less than second. Blackest black hole takes so long to evaporate that universe will be cold and dark long before they gone. But here's paradox that drove monkey bananas. If black hole completely evaporates through Hawking radiation, what happens to all information that fell into it? Radiation seems completely random, with no connection to what originally fell in. It's like burning library and having smoke spell out random letters instead of preserving books' contents. This created massive fight in physics community. Some scientists said information must be preserved somehow. Others argue it really destroyed. It became known as black hole wars, more intense than monkeys fighting over banana tree. Stephen Hawking on one side says information destroyed. Leonard Susskind on other side saying information must escape somehow. Conferences became battlegrounds, friendships ended, careers made and destroyed. Current thinking is that information somehow encoded in Hawking radiation through quantum entanglement. Particles connected in ways that allow information to be preserved, even though monkey cannot see how. Some theories suggest event horizon itself made of quantum entanglement, network of connections between particles that creates illusion of smooth boundary. Most radical idea, black hole don't have interior at all. What monkey think is inside black hole actually just highly scrambled information on surface. This paradox not just about black hole, it about fundamental nature of reality itself. Monkey tell you secret that will blow your mind like exploding banana. Black holes not just cosmic monsters that destroy everything, they also cosmic architects that build universe. Without black holes, monkey would not exist. Galaxy would not exist. Stars would not exist. Nothing would exist. Monkey explain how invisible destroyers became invisible creators. At center of every galaxy sits supermassive black hole. Not just some galaxies, every single galaxy monkey has ever observed. It's like every cosmic neighborhood has invisible monster in basement, but instead of causing problems, monster keeps whole neighborhood running smoothly. These supermassive beasts control everything in galaxy. They decide where stars form, how fast stars move, whether galaxy live or die. Here's how it works. When black hole eats matter, it doesn't just swallow everything quietly, like polite monkey eating banana. It creates enormous jets of energy that shoots out nearly speed of light. These jets heat up gas clouds through galaxy, Hot gas cannot collapse to form new stars. This prevents galaxy from making too many stars too quickly. Without this regulation, galaxy would burn through all its gas in few million years, making all stars at once, then dying. Like monkey eating entire year's banana supply in one day, black hole acts like cosmic thermostat, keeping galaxy at perfect temperature for steady star formation over billions of years. But there's more. When galaxies collide, and they do collide like clumsy monkeys bumping into each other, their central black holes eventually merge. This merger creates gravitational waves that ripple through spacetime itself. These waves carry away energy, allowing merged galaxies to settle into stable configuration. Without black holes to manage these cosmic crashes, galaxy collisions would be chaotic disasters that destroy everything. Black holes also distribute heavy elements throughout galaxy. When they eat stars, they create powerful winds that blow elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron across vast distances. These elements are essential for making planets, essential for making life, essential for making monkeys. Every atom in monkey's body, except hydrogen, was forged inside dying star and distributed by black hole activity. Monkey is literally made of star stuff, organized by black holes. But here's most mind-blowing part. Recent observations show that mass of central black hole directly related to mass of entire galaxy. Bigger galaxy, bigger black hole. Smaller galaxy, smaller black hole. This relationship so precise it cannot be coincidence. Somehow black holes and galaxies grow together, controlling each other's development over billions of years. It's like cosmic dance where partners perfectly matched. Scientists still don't understand how this works. How does black hole, sitting at center of galaxy, know how big entire galaxy is? How does it coordinate growth across hundreds of thousands of light years? It's like single monkey in middle of jungle, somehow controlling behavior of every other monkey across entire continent. This suggests that black hole and galaxy connected in ways monkey cannot see. Maybe through dark matter, maybe through quantum entanglement, maybe through something we haven't discovered yet. What monkey know for sure, universe is not random collection of objects floating in space. It carefully orchestrated system where black holes play role of cosmic conductors. Black holes are keys to biggest mystery in universe. And monkey about to tell you why these cosmic monsters might unlock secret of reality itself. Here's problem that been driving smartest human crazy for century. Universe has two sets of rules, and they hate each other like rival monkey tribes. First rule called general relativity. Einstein's theory that explained gravity as curved spacetime worked perfectly for big things, planets, stars, galaxy. When monkey throw banana, general relativity explain why banana fall. Second rule set called quantum mechanics explain how tiny particles behave. Work perfectly for small things, atoms, electrons, photons. When monkey's atoms vibrate to keep monkey warm, quantum mechanics explain how. But when monkey tries to combine these rule sets, like a singularity of black hole, both theories break down completely. They gave infinite, nonsensical answers like trying to divide banana by zero. Black holes are perfect laboratory for testing these theories because they place where both extreme gravity and quantum effects matter at same time. And they revealing something shocking. Space and time might not be fundamental building blocks of reality. Holographic principle suggests that everything inside black hole is encoded on its surface. Three-dimensional space actually hologram projected from two-dimensional boundary. If this true for black hole, might be true for entire universe. All of reality might be hologram projected from distant boundary. Even more radical idea, space and time might emerge from quantum entanglement. Fabric of reality not made for space and time, it made for quantum connections between particles. This called emergent spacetime. Space and time like temperature or pressure, properties that emerge from more fundamental ingredients, like how wetness emerges from water molecules, but individual molecule not wet. Black holes giving monkey glimpses of this deeper layer of reality. Recent breakthrough came from Event Horizon Telescope, network of radio telescopes that work together to take first picture of black hole's shadow. Image showed glowing ring of hot gas around dark center, exactly as Einstein predicted. But image also revealed mysteries. Black hole spinning faster than expected. Magnetic field stronger than predicted. Jets of energy more powerful than theory suggested. Each new observation raises more questions than answers. Gravitational wave detectors now hearing black holes collide billions of light years away. These cosmic crashes create ripples in space-time itself that travel across universe at speed of light. When these waves reach Earth, they stretch and squeeze space by amount smaller than 1,000th width of proton. But Monkey's instrument's sensitive enough to detect this tiny distortion. Every collision tells story. How massive were black holes? How fast were they spinning? What happened when they merged? Answers revealing that universe stranger than Monkey ever imagined. Black holes showing us that reality is more connected, more holographic, more quantum than we thought possible. They teaching us that even in darkest, most destructive places in cosmos, there are secrets waiting to be discovered about fundamental nature of existence. Universe far weirder than monkey brain can comprehend, but black holes are giving us roadmap to understanding it all. And Monkey thinks that pretty amazing for invisible monsters that eat light.